Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is McKinley and I'm here to show you guys how to make extra money online. This is for affiliate marketers, entrepreneurs, people that want to start a business online. So one of the things that I always hear is how can we make money without spending a lot of money on solo ads. So I'm going to introduce you to what's called Traffic Nemesis. This is a program, of course, you can get. Traffic Nemesis, it's a newbie-friendly, done-for-you system that gets results. It's proven to get results. There are many people out there that are making hundreds and thousands of dollars every month just using this system. It leverages your Facebook profile and groups to make sales, to connect with other marketers, other people looking to get into the online, make money online. So here, I'll give you a quick view of the course. Okay. This is a battle-tested system. It's proven to get you organic traffic. It is working for me. Okay. I'm enjoying it. I've had it for almost a week now, and I have seen some results. I'm getting a lot more engagement. Okay. And it'll show you how to set up your Facebook profile. It'll show you how to go into groups, what to post. They have done for you posts, so that if you're like me and you don't really know what to post, they have over 200 done for you posts. So you don't really have to worry about that too much. Okay. And here's some of the proofs. Okay. This is just some of the people that have bought this course. Okay. And it's really easy, and the best thing is that you would expect to pay maybe $9.97 or $4.97 for this course. I have seen this course for even $2.97, but through Traffic Domination, we only charge you $12.95, and that's a tremendous value. And you don't have to use paid ads. You don't have to wait for search engine optimization rankings. You don't have to spam links. This course will show you how to get people to come to you. Okay, and that's what I really like about it. Okay, and I'm also going to throw in some bonuses for you. Okay, I'm going to leave the bonuses down in the description. I'll show you what they are. Okay. All right, you're going to get a ClickBank Cash Success Secrets. Okay. You're also going to get a free bonus, Crush It with YouTube. I just downloaded this 2 days ago. You're also going to get the Digital Nomad Secrets. This is if you're like me and you want to build a business so that you can travel. This will help you out. And I'm also going to throw in the Facebook Ads Authority. If you're like a lot of people that struggle with seeing a return on investment with Facebook ads, this is going to help you out. Okay, so I'll leave a link for all of these in the description. Okay, and they're completely free. This is $297 worth of bonuses for free. And I just want to remind you, my number one suggestion for making money online, my number one recommendation is to join Traffic Domination's Facebook group. It's totally free to join. I will leave a link in the description for that as well. But It has Facebook training, YouTube training, it has email list building training. If you're already a marketer and you want to buy good, high quality solo ads, you can do that. I'll leave that link in the description. But this is an amazing program. It's growing every day exponentially, and they really do care about you. The people will in the Facebook group will answer your questions, will help you along. There are some paid courses that you can purchase that are relatively inexpensive to help you get started on your journey. And I am really enjoying this. So that's all I got. I'm gonna wrap this up. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for being a part of the channel. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe button, and leave any comments. If there's any area that you want to see me cover, such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, anything at all. If you guys want me to show you guys how to build landing pages, how to build campaigns, anything you want, I can show you how to do that. Anyways, thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.